Today we're trying out some fire gloves.
Fire gloves.
Fire gloves. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. I'm Carrie.
Oh my gosh, how about some energy?
Okay, this is it. This is the last one. This is all. I'm going inside after this.
She's really
It's
not
so
like this.
cold.
She got a bunch of things on her face. I mean, she had to have some things taken off. Okay, come on. I'm ready.
We're doing a video. Hey guys, I'm Carrie. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. I'm Carrie.
I'm Mark.
The Art of Rving is the name of our channel.
Yeah, and if you haven't hit us up on Instagram, hit us up on Instagram.
Thanks for subbing. If you're not a sub, please become one.
Yes.
Comment below what you think of Mark's new fire gloves.
So today we're going to check out these fire gloves, BlueFire fire gloves. I've learned a lot about these.
Yeah, they're awesome.
We're going to give it the test today for sure. I mean, it's crazy. But anyway, of course, we got the best ones, you know. And it's going to be some reasons why you should get fire gloves. I've always used grill gloves. And so we're going to show the grill gloves.
But these are better.
But these are so much better. So anyway, let's give them a test and get some information.
Stay tuned.
Let's go. Okay guys, so I'm excited about the fire gloves, you know. So when we use our solo stove, of course you can use them for anything, but like on our solo stove, we want to make it as easy as possible, of course. And the fire gloves, they're BlueFire fire gloves. And they are, I'll tell you in a minute, I had to write it all down. But anyway, some things that I do like about the fire gloves is that they have the silicone. See how the silicone's on the front and the back of them? So if you're getting a, like a pan or something that it doesn't slip. So it makes it a lot easier. And the reason they're on the front and the back is because the gloves, there's no right and left glove. So what, you grab it, you put it on, which I do like that. Another thing that they said too is that they're a little loose. See, not too loose though, not like these. See, like these are the gloves that I used before.
Like for the grill. Yeah,
the grill gloves, and these things get hot. I mean, you grab something hot, it comes through there, you know, because of this material that's inside it, if you can see that material. Whereas this material inside this glove is like fireman material. You see that? And so anyway, so I decided to get these, and they're much better, what do you call it, Carrie? You know, I can grab stuff better.
Grippy.
They're grip with like my fingers. You know what I mean? It's like these are thick, and I couldn't get my fingers around, but these I can use my fingers better. And
your dexterity is better.
Yeah, so I like these. So now I'm going to read a few facts about these gloves that I wrote down.
Put on your glasses.
I had to put my glasses on. I'm right above the fire, so if this catches fire, y'all just let me know. So anyway, one thing is they're made of Kevlar. Okay, that's the inside of the glove. They're made of Kevlar, which is awesome. They're heat resistance up to 932 degrees. And I found something interesting on the gloves too, is that you actually can grab a hot, like a log. Like, I'll show you right here. So, like this log is flaming. You see? See, I actually can grab that log as it's hot. You see?
That's crazy.
Yeah. And they said that you can still feel the heat through these. So if the heat is coming through there, you still have time to take your gloves off. They just don't want it to be like going through burning you. So like I felt some heat just then, but not very much. And they said like, don't grip things hard with them either. So like if you grip something hard, it's gonna get hotter through the glove. But if you grip something light, it won't burn as quick through the glove. So I thought that was interesting, you know. So anyway, let's look at this. So I've got a flame here. This thing on the top is hugely hot, man. But watch this. Look at this. I can just pull it off and hold it, right? But see that this flame inside here, like this? Look at that. Look at, I mean, that is amazing. Very little heat's coming through there. I mean, right in the fire. So I had to write down a few things just so I could get some information to you. One is I thought they were machine washable, but they're not. So you have to hand wash them. You can use them like to remove pans from the stove, which is awesome. You can use them for fireplaces, of course, campfires. You can use them on the probes on the grill, like if you're putting a temperature probe in there, or if you're, what do you call it, Carrie, when you put your meat on that skewer?
Oh, like a shish kebab?
Shish kebab. So if you have a shish kebab, you can go in there and actually turn the shish kebab. They're breathable. So that's awesome. So they're Kevlar, but they are breathable. This is the same technology that firefighters use to gauge how hot some things are. So that you can hold, so they want you to feel how hot it is so you can feel how long you can hold on to it. Do not pick up like red hot metal. They say because it's going to be a lot hotter. Orange burn marks on the glove are normal. So I thought that was interesting. I haven't got any yet. Even picking up that piece of fiery wood, I still didn't get an orange mark on it yet. Use a light touch like I went over earlier. You know, don't grip down on something because it's going to burn a lot quicker. Also, they have a level 3, I don't know what that means, level 3 cut resistance. So that means like if you're cutting along something, it won't cut through these gloves. A cut 3 resistance, whatever that means. So they were talking about like if you had something hot and you were cutting something by it and you accidentally, like on meat or whatever, or on a hot skewer, that if you actually came across it, it won't cut into your glove. But the thing that I really love about the gloves, you know, it's so much easier to move my firewood around. And it's just, it makes my life so much easier. Let's see if I can get this.
Well, and plus the solo stove gets so hot.
It does.
The whole container gets so hot. You can move that.
It really does. I'm gonna see if I can get this piece of wood. Okay, Carrie.
Wow.
Here we go.
Okay.
It's on fire.
Oh my gosh. That's crazy.
Look at that.
The gloves are smoking. I can't see them when it's over here. Oh, look at the gloves. Well, they're not anymore.
Man, my gloves are smoking. Oh, look, there's an ember on that one. I can't even feel it.
That's crazy.
Yeah, and that was another thing they said too. Like if you had something that was 300 degrees, you can hold it indefinitely. You can just keep holding it and it never will get hot. But if you got something like super hot like those, I could feel the heat coming through there and I knew when to let go of it.
Right.
So I thought that was kind of cool.
It is.
You know, so anyway, BlueFire gloves, we're gonna link them below. Don't cheap out, man, on these, because I didn't want to get burned.
How much were they? I don't even
I think
remember.
they were like $34. Okay, so the last thing I want to do is, the blue flame. Here goes nothing. Coming close. Here it goes. Man, I can't even feel it.
Crazy.
Very, 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 very little. But man, you just don't want to pick up that wood. It took me, the first time I did it, I just didn't want to pick up that wood.
Yeah, it just doesn't make sense to your brain.
Your brain just doesn't want to pick up a piece of hot wood, you know. So anyway, I love them. And it's gonna make
10 out of 10.
Yeah, I'd say 10 out of 10. You know, anything to make our life easier.
We're lazy campers.
Well, we're glampers. Buy one, done. That's ours. You know, but these are definitely going to help us with our solo stove, picking up the wood and moving around, just all kinds of things. So, oh, she's going. I'm talking too much. Okay, man. We'll check later. Leave some comments.
Bye.